up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. Got this 1972 Chevelle up for sale today. I was told by the previous owner that this is a heavy Chevy. I ran the VIN number, and by VIN it is considered a heavy Chevy, or it's at least a base model, which could be a heavy Chevy, but without the RPO or any of the documents when it was new, there's no way to confirm or deny that it's a true heavy Chevy. So we're going to be selling it as a tribute heavy Chevy. We're going to do a full walkthrough of the vehicle. We're going to go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, no ugly on this car. So you know exactly what you get before it shows up, guys. We're going to do a full walkthrough. At Bob Evans Classics, we buy all our cars from the original owners or the secondary owners. We don't buy any cars from auction. So we have stories. We kind of know the background about them. If you like classic cars, please subscribe. We get new stuff like this, and you can watch me go out and buy cars like this, which if you follow us, you can see the shorts. And the guy, I made a video on it. He would get pulled over all the time in this because the cops would admire the car. Told me he had about $60,000 invested in this car. Definitely clean, nice tires. Got a couple flaws, and I'll point them out already. Got a little bit of overspray right here. I don't know why they didn't take that off. I will try to grab that off. The hood, you either hate it or love it. I like it. Some people don't. And that's pretty much it. There's no really flaws on this car too much. We're going to go over it. I'll show you every panel by panel. But he did this car right. It's loud, 454 under the hood. It's got a racing transmission. This one you could shift. You go down to third. You shift down to first, second, third. Manual valve body. This is built for speed. I was told it's an 11-second car. It is street legal. You can register it and tag it up. We'll start like we normally do. Driver's side fender. And we'll do the paint test. As you can see, the paint, it's got a nice green sparkle in it. And you can see my reflection. I'm going to say this paint job is probably an 8 out of 10. You don't see much orange peel at all in this. It's got a good sparkle to it. The stripes look good. You can see my reflection well. I love the sparkle in the paint. You got a little flaw right here, a little chip. Bottom of the doors are good. Bottom of the car is good. The gap is nice. Let's see how the door shuts. Inside the door's painted nice. That's all nice. I close it nice and light. It's shut perfect. So definitely a pretty good paint job. This fender, besides that little chip, I really don't see anything else in it. I also like because the hood matches very well as far as color. It's not like they put it on afterwards. It matches real nice with the rest of the car. Tires in great shape. Wheel is also in great shape. Got small tires up front, nice thick in the rear. Chrome is also in good shape. Lights appear to be in good shape. Hood is I believe fiberglass hood. It all looks good. No scratches, no flaws in it. We didn't really do anything to this car. Didn't need anything. Passenger side fender looks good. It doesn't need any body work or any rust repair or anything like that. Window's nice. No cracks. Dash looks good. This window looks good. Top of the car looks good. Body lines are nice on this car. And I'll tell you what, when we start this up, it's going to blow you away. This thing is loud. It's fast. Okay, let's see if we can open it up from the inside. I don't know if it's locked. It appears to be unlocked, so I don't know. Let's see. Oh. Okay, so the door was locked. Door shuts good. It's done nice in there. Panels are nice. Door closes well. Body line comes in a little bit there. And down at the bottom. But it looks good. The car looks real solid. Quarters look good. I don't see any mud on this car up here. You know, little flaws there in the paint. You can see on that line, that body line's got a little bit, I guess, some drips in it. The car shows real well. Chrome all looks new. Back of the trunk, it's nice and even on both sides. Definitely did a good job. I can believe he put a ton of money in this car. I don't know, about 60. Tires look like they got plenty of life left. The rims look good. Not many flaws on this car, guys. Hard to point out stuff. Glass is intact. Seems just like a well-rounded car. Exhaust is cut halfway. Undercarriage looks good. It's just straight pipes, got a little muffler on it. I'd probably redo those. I'd probably run full exhaust back. You can see the muffler is like, I feel like they were just put on not too long ago and they were just straight pipe. Probably full exhaust is what I would put. It's the only thing I would do to change it. Put full exhaust on it. Put a real nice exhaust system, because this is just, for a nice built car, the exhaust just to hang like that, I'm not a fan of. That's just me personally. You can leave it, but I'm personally not in love with it. White interior. Screams 70s. Got the dice there. Grant steering wheel. Black headliner. Probably would have did a white headliner. Headliner's coming down a little bit there in the corner. It's another little flaw. Look at that paint. Seems a nice shine to it. Trunk looks good. It's just black, all solid. Looks fine. Shuts good. Let's go ahead and open up the hood. We'll start it up, see what works, what doesn't work. Yeah. All right, guys, so got electronic fans and electronic fuel pump. Very fast, very loud. Guys, this is very loud. Got good oil pressure. The water gauge works. Got no horn, but extremely fast. You downshift the first, second, third. Got a manual valve body. You feel like the Fast and the Furious in this one, for sure. Let's check the signals. working. It's working. Up for sale now, 5msclassics.com. Check out our page. Appreciate you. God bless the USA.